The Irish language has always been a cornerstone of the GAA philosophy. Now one of the country's youngest clubs has built its foundation on playing native games in the native tongue.
Siúna Gaeil Óga an tain club Lán Gaeilge in Mallea. So imrí mit pel amant camógiacht agus pel na man agus tá cuaig earn de gwini fásta going agus in sin tá forna faois faocht faocht agus in sin tá sais nínra CLG am going mo leáin im Lachlia.
Tá na hamán he dinmh go hintach fi láthair béis le canis a Craoladh. Tá mídna mar felladóirí a géirí bheithe cóchéim lo.
The thing that makes us special is that everything is done through Irish. So training, socially, committees, everything is done through Irish. Most of the people are probably from Dublin, and then there's a good people from all the different kinds of Gaeltachtaí as well. We've had some people. We've had Americans. We have a Brazilian camogie player. We have a guy from England. So we've had even an international element Oscar as well.
And that's a 3-4 in a Rishu Logan.
We're based here in the lovely Phoenix Park, where I think Michal O'Keefe originally started the very first hurling team, so auspicious grounds here. But now we're sort of moving out to Lucan. That's where we play our home matches for the hurling and football. And also the underage structure is based out there in Gael School and Padraig. So there's 2 Gael School beside each other there, and a massive population. So there's great room for improvement and for recruiting lots of new members out there.
The group of people that came together, we were all Irish language enthusiasts and activists. When this chance came along, I thought it was a great idea. A person called Ciarán Mac Séalaigh, who was working on a thesis in NUIG at the time, was talking to me about his thesis, and out of those conversations, he organised a meeting, and since then we've been going full out. We've been very surprised, like if the first night we started at our first meeting, if you told us that we'd been in a situation that we had 9 teams, after 6 years we wouldn't have believed it. At adult level, once they have a basic amount of Irish, they need to be fully fluent. Once they have a basic amount, and once they have the proper mentality, which means basically they speak Irish, they'll enjoy themselves and they'll improve their Irish in no end. And in about 6 weeks after coming to us, they'll be fairly fluent.
We are a very small club, very new club, so we all know each other and we all play together. Most of the hurlers play football, most of the footballers play hurling, and there's a really great atmosphere. We train twice a week, and we put the work in when we need to run up to matches. There's lots of preparation and stuff like that, but we still try and keep it fun. We're all trying to create something. We're all trying to start the club and get it moving.
3 fast Waha should score.
I know our fad. They're doing great. Made big strides this year. It's unusual for a club to start off with just adults. Usually it's children and then building it up. But that has started, of course, in the Gaeil Óga. Leis na páistí beaga tá siad ag obair freisin. It's more than just a GA club, really. There's a vision behind it as well in terms of the language.
Okay, sus.
It's probably going to be the best thing that has happened for the language in a long, long time in terms of building a community of young people for whom its first choice is to talk Irish among themselves. There's a great sense of being part of something special because of the commitment to the language is the first thing. And hopefully it will keep going from yard to yard, getting stronger all the time.
Tá deis againn an trafhóchant. Tá sé go simplí le sin.
Permit fáilte war with dinner bit, will Gaeil Gacu, no will made or Gaeil Gacu, agus tá sásta agus tá géirí na clí Gaeilge immert 3 Gaeilge.